Okay student, today we are going to start chapter number 4, that is about magnet and electromagnets. I know that every one of you knows about magnets, and you also use magnet to pick up the pins and things made up of iron and steel. Students, we don't know how and when magnetism was discovered, but different stories are told about how a kind of rock was discovered which would have attracted piece of iron towards itself and hold them on it. Today I will tell you about magnet. Magnet is an object that has the property to attract things made up of iron, steel, cobalt and nickel. And magnetism is a mysterious force of attraction or repulsion which appears between magnets and materials such as iron, steel, nickel and cobalt. Clear? Then mostly there are two types of magnet: permanent magnets and electromagnets. Permanent magnet is made by magnetizing a piece of iron so that it keeps its magnetic properties. Students, you know that electricity also exerts magnetic field, and we can use this electricity to make magnet which can be turned on and off. These magnets are known as electromagnets. Magnetic forces act over very small distance, like a few centimeters. There are many devices that make use of magnets, like our door of our fridge, drill machine, headphones, loudspeaker. A loudspeaker and drill machine uses permanent magnet. Drill machine and headphones uses electromagnet. Fridge door and loudspeaker use permanent magnet. Here, and we know that magnet has two poles, and north and south poles. How can we find the poles of the magnet? Students, you know that Earth affects the magnet. Earth has also its own magnetic field. If a bar magnet is suspended from a thread like this, it will eventually point to roughly towards north and south. The end of the magnet which points towards north is called north seeking pole, and the end of the magnet that points towards south is called south seeking pole or south pole. If two magnets are brought close to each other, we will come to know that like poles will repel each other and unlike poles will attract each other. Student, next we have to know about the magnetic field. Every magnet has magnetic field around it. Now, what is magnetic field? A magnet has a space all around it where magnetic material feel a force, and this is we say that there is a magnetic field around the magnet. You can just understand that there is a gravitational field of Earth. We know that things falls down due to the gravitational force, and there is also electricity attract things. इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड होता है, मैग्नेटिक फील्ड होता है, ग्रेविटेशनल फील्ड होता है. तो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड कैन बी ट्रेस आउट विद द हेल्प ऑफ प्लॉटिंग कंपास, and we can also trace it by putting a bar magnet on a white sheet of paper, and then by sprinkling some iron filings on it. The iron filings will arrange themselves in a sort of pattern of lines, but the most suitable method is with the help of plotting compass. Now first we should know what is a plotting compass. The compass needle is a small magnet which can turn on a pivot. In a magnetic field, its north pole is pulled one way and its south pole is pulled the other. The needle always comes to rest in line with the magnetic field. It means that whenever we put the plotting compass in the magnetic field of a bar magnet, the needle will line up in such a way that its north pole is directed to the south pole of the magnet. And if we do this process, a bar magnet will show a magnetic field like this. In this magnetic field, you can see that the lines run from north pole towards south pole, and the lines are space between the line is less near the poles and it is greater away from it. The less space between the lines shows the strength of the field. We can say that magnetic field is stronger near the poles and it is weaker away from the poles. And these arrows shows the direction of the force, and we know that they always run from north towards the south. The direction is always from north to south. Clear? Next, pattern produced when unlike poles of two magnets are brought close together. बेटा ये देखें कि एक मैग्नेट का नॉर्थ पोल है, दूसरे का साउथ पोल है, तो द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड दैट इज प्रोड्यूस इन बिटवीन देम इज जस्ट लाइक दिस, दैट मैग्नेटिक lines run from north to south like this. And here one bar magnet is placed close to another bar magnet in such a way that their poles are opposite. You can see here also the difference, that here magnetic lines always run from north to south. Here the north pole is here at this end. Here also magnetic lines run from north to south. Clear? And the lines are close near the poles, indicating that near the poles of the magnet, the magnetic field is stronger as compared to other places. Below, these diagrams shows the magnetic field pattern produced when like poles of two magnets are brought close to each other. You know that like poles repel each other. This is the north pole of one magnet and again north pole of another magnet. When they are brought close to each other, they will repel each other, and their lines are shown like this. They always run from north to south. North to south. Here is full two bar magnets when they are brought close to each other. Next, because you know that Earth has a strong magnetic field of its own, and it is due to the presence of a large amount of molten metal in its core. Clear? The Earth's magnetic north pole is about 700 miles from the geographic north poles. Next, students, we have to solve the questions. The test yourself. Question number 1 is, what is magnetism? The answer is, from this, magnetism is a mysterious force to this. Question number 2, which of these materials would be attracted by a magnet? Copper wire, plastic rubber, iron nail, paper, steel pin, brass button. Students, you know very well that magnet can attract only iron nail and steel pin. Question number 3, explain the difference between a permanent magnet and an electromagnet. You can answer a piece of iron to electromagnets. Give 2 examples where a permanent magnet might be used. But permanent magnets are used in the loudspeaker, in the doors of the refrigerators. 5. Give 2 examples of where electromagnet might be used. Electromagnets are used in the electric drill machines and headphones. Next, we have to mark the answer on test yourself on page number 50. Question number 1. Where are the poles of a magnet? Why are the poles of a magnet called north and south? The answer is the Rutherford affects magnet to S. Question number 2. How could you find the north pole of a magnet? A suspended bar magnet will point roughly north-south. Describe what would happen if the following were brought towards a bar magnet suspended from a thread. An unmagnetized iron rod, B. A copper rod, C. The S pole of another magnet. बेटा इसमें यही बताया कि एक सस्पेंडेड बार मैग्नेट है, थ्रेड के साथ उसको सस्पेंड किया गया। अगर आप उसके पास अनमैग्नेटाइज्ड आयरन रॉड को लेके जाते हैं तो क्या होगा? You know that it would be attracted by the magnet. कॉपर रॉड के साथ बेटा क्या होगा कि मैग्नेट विल नॉट अट्रैक्ट इट, नथिंग वुड हैपन, नो अट्रैक्शन, नो रिपल्शन। सी द एस पोल ऑफ अनदर मैग्नेट। बेटा इसमें दो केसेस हैं। अगर जो दूसरा मैग्नेट है उसके एस पोल को अगर हम सस्पेंडेड मैग्नेट के नॉर्थ पोल की तरफ लेके जाएंगे तो क्या होगा कि it would be attracted because unlike poles attract each other. And if we bring this south pole of another magnet near the south, if we bring the south pole of another magnet close to the south pole of a suspended magnet, it would be repelled because you know that like poles repel each other. Question number 4. Describe how would you show that there is a magnetic field around a magnet. Beta, we can show it by two ways. Number one, I have told you that we can show that there is a simply we can show that there is a magnetic field around a bar magnet by putting the bar magnet under the sheet of paper and then by sprinkling some iron filings on the paper. And we would come to know that iron filings will arrange themselves in a sort of pattern of lines. But the most accurate way is with the help of plotting compass. The answer will be from here, a magnet has a space all around it, to this diagram, all this.